once again, Ghana is not just Accra. I want to be known for that ambassador, showing you all the hidden gems beyond Accra. Listen, I'm in the central region of Ghana, and this view right here, it's so worth it. You need to go places that you find peace. Your soul actually needs peace for itself. You know what? If you are living in a glass house, don't throw stone. This is what it means. This is Sojourn cabins right here in Anomabo, the central region of Ghana. This is so beautiful. They just got 3 cabins in here, and every cabin got its own private. But I know and believe that this place is not a place for one, but a place for 2. Damn it, man. Imagine if you live in Accra, you would definitely not get a chance to enjoy something like this. If you want to enjoy the sea in Accra, you need to stay around, what do you call it? Labadi. And you could even get clean beaches in Accra. I'm so sorry, but this is so unique. And what makes it so unique is the fact that you're closer. I can actually see myself in the mirror, and I could see whatever is happening behind me, but I can't see what is in there. Let me try, maybe the light. Oh my goodness. I can't see anything. I'm still seeing myself, but I want to show you where I stayed. But I love how it's so green. You know, greens and blues are always a perfect combination. So this is where I lived. I got the best view to the ocean. And I'm currently preparing breakfast with a private chef. I broke another virginity having a private chef, even though I don't have money. I can't wait to have my own private jet. Wait for that. So if you are a fish, you can literally jump in. But I am not a fish, so I walk around. Here's what it is. So let me take you. Oh my goodness, you guys, is it part of the package? You clean my car. Thank you. You guys are the best. I'll buy one of these so that I stay here every day, so that you guys can wash my car for me. I really love how unique these cabins are. You know, this one is called the Sun Cabin, and this is where I spend the night. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Don't cry when you see me. My goodness. Even the smell in here can make you sleep the rest of your life. This is what I'm telling you. You need to grow older. So go beyond Accra and go breathe in some fresh air. Listen, this is why I spend the night. I love it. And one unique thing about this place, the fact that I can see whatever is happening outside. But those outside cannot see what is happening. I know you guys can see that from the camera. You can see the coconut. You can see people moving along the ocean. Tell me, do you see anything? Leave that in the comment section. But hey, I love this place. So this is more like a steady area where I spend most of my time reading your Facebook comment. So please leave a comment. Let me know. All right. I love the engagement that we've been for the past 1 month. And I want to ask you a question. Which region in Ghana do you think got the best coconut? Because there's been an argument and I want to find out. So if you are from Ghana, please leave that in the comment section. Do you want to see the washroom? The place is not big, so I will let the camera guy go in. So when you went to the bathroom, you realize that people out there cannot see you. And also when you are in the bathroom, you can't even see outside. So don't worry, your secrets are safe. Come here with your loved one, make babies in here, live your best life. You can also come alone to have that peaceful mindset of learning how to make money. It's your favorite village boy, Mr. Ghana Baby. Don't forget to like this video, share, and let them know that there is a cabin in the central region that you all need to come and stay in, and it's affordable, by the way.